I'm gonna show you this topic. This class belongs to college calculus. It's college calculus. Therefore, we're gonna start with the first, first subject belong to mathematics models. Mathematics models. This is a catalog of essential function. Catalog of essential function. So the first model is a linear function. Linear function like in this way: y equals fx equals mx plus b, where m, just for remember you, m is equals to slope and b is the y-intercept. We have this problem here, this linear function. I'm going to show you why it's a linear function. I mean, solve this linear function and a graph. We're going to make a graph, a table, and also make a graph. This linear function is like this, x. I'm going to give some values for x to find the values for x, okay? This is fx equals 3x minus 2. Okay, this is our function. All right. Give it some values. Let me give it to x 1, 0. Some 5 or 6 values for x. Okay. 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, and 1.5. Okay. So and solve the function. Just substitute the values of x right here in the function, and then you find the value of x. In this case, for example, when x is equals 1.0, I mean 3 times 1.0 is going to be 3 minus 2 is 1 right here. Let's do the next one. 3 times 1.1 is 3.3 minus 2 is equals 1.3. Here is 3 times 2 is 6. 3.6 minus 2 is going to be 1.6. Next, 3.9. Yeah, you multiply 3 times 1.3 is going to be 3.9 minus 2 is going to be 1.9. Next, 4.2 minus 2 is going to be 2.2. And next, of course, 2.5. You see how it's erase it. How to erase the number. All right. Now, make the graph. Let me show you this table in a graph. How see in a graph. This is y, and then this is x. It's going to be x. Give me some values. Here is 1, is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. That's enough. Now we don't need many points. See the numbers right here. Then we need to find this. Remember, find the y-intercept. How much is the y-intercept? Y-intercept is -2. So y-intercept is right here. It's -2 here. -2. That's y-intercept. 1 point of the graph. 1 point of the function. The next point, the slope. You need to know how much is the slope. The slope is 3, remember, 3 over 1. So 3 in y, running 3 points up here, and 1 in x to the right. So 1, 2, 3 right here. There's 3 up, and 1 to the right is going to be right here. This is the other point right here. The slope 3, 1. So then, or therefore, the graph is crossed like this. Through here. That's the slope. This is our graph. So this is here, limit 3, and then 1 here. Then the graph, this function is look like this: y 3x minus 2. That's the linear function here. These are first linear models. When you work in the models, the first kind, because we have different kind of models. This is the first one, linear function. I'm gonna show more mathematics models. This is one. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching.